Went the wrong way.
Oh, go. Okay. Hello, welcome to Hops and Hardways. We are at the Strat in the Select Tower in a Standard King room. Here we have our bathroom, single sink, giant mirror, and a shower. We have a room here, full-length mirror, art, gorgeous. And this is our room. I guess this could be an adjoining room. We have our designer lampshades. You can spot the difference. Comment on the video. We have a king bed, so that's great. Excited about that. There's great desk space. There's also a TV, multiple drawers for unpacking, a safe, not a fridge, safe. A big one, actually. More room for clothes and such, with an ironing board and iron. Helpful to have both of those. And we have a nice seating area, ample room to host yourself. There we go. Ample room to have a party of one. And our view, which you may not be able to see. We can see downtown over yonder. The AC is working great. It was on heat. We don't need heat. We're fine. We've got a phone and your standard drawers. These have outlets on them. Nothing USB, nothing too fancy, but for free, it's great. And a random light there.
It may or may not be crooked. I'm not really sure.
I don't know. It's like an interrogation chair.
How do you turn? Can you turn that on? How does that even?
I don't know.
How does it even go on?